I hope you're doing well. This is CryptoArc, and this is part 2 about indicators, right? So last video, I was explaining at the end what my indicator is all about, right? There are two indications for top and bottom, and both they have strength. So they have a strong green and a green like this, and they have a top and a strong top as well. It's also hard to find the strong ones, right? We don't see that very often, like strong greens and strong tops. That is a big change. Like it's a big deal, right? It's a big deal. So let me go back here. Let me go to a higher time frame because it's too small, sometimes too noisy, right? Just to keep talking about strong and weak in my indicator, let's go maybe to sand. Sand had a strong one recently. There you go. So this is sand right now. Right? There are some reversals, some tops, but if you skim through different time frames, you're gonna notice on the daily, for example, we have a strong top. This is bad. This is really bad. That's why the price is retracing. One of the reasons, right? Not why the price is retracing that much. So the strong show up probably all the way here, right? And still showing up. Even the price going down, still a big, big top on the daily, right? Because look at this. Look at the volume, right? Look at what happened. Was insane action on sand, to be honest. This week was insane for metaverse in general. But anyways, back to indicators. That's how I use my indicator, right? So the higher time frame you go, that means you're gonna have less and less noise, but they are very strong. Look at the last time we have reversal on Bitcoin on the daily. Right? That was back in 30s. That was big. If you just long this all the way, that is long 120% trade in 100 days, 120 days. Strong top on Bitcoin. Yes, we had one here. You see how the colors are different? That's strong top. So you got this 23% trade. Yes, in just 8 days. Same thing here, right? This is a reversal and top. So this is strong, very strong. When reversals and top happen in my indicator, that means, hey, you should get out or TP, but that doesn't mean the price will not continue up. Look at what happened back in April, right? The price just went up, but then, of course, went down. Let's calculate how much was down since this level, right? 52%. 52%. So on the daily, it's very, very strong. If I go back in time, you're not gonna find too many indications. Look at how many times a reversal happens on daily, right? Only 3 in more than 2 years. And as I said, look at the bottom part, right? Only once, and this was the very, very bottom ever, 4,700. If we go back, we're probably gonna find one in 3K as well. But yeah, that's daily, right? So that's my indicator. That's how it works. It's as I said, I put all my trading knowledge into this indicator to understand how the market reverse and find tops and bottles, right? But again, my indicator is not magic. Right? It will not give you 100% winning trades. And to be honest, this is not a trade signal. So I'm not telling you to long or short or anything. I'm telling you there is a top or there's a reversal. That's all. Now, who is going to make the trade? It's you with your own risk management, with your own trading portfolio. If you want to use high leverage, just like me, it's a whole different strategy, right? I just posted on Twitter a few minutes ago. It's a whole different thing to be a good trader and to be a good TA, right? You can do technical analysis, very, very good. Anyone can do that. Now, trading, being a good trader, that is hard. That's way, way harder, right? Because it involves a lot of discipline. It's not about keeping your emotions out of the table. No, it's about discipline. That's my understanding, and that's my view of the market, right? The trading in general. All right, now let's talk about the market cipher itself. As you guys know, probably market cipher is this is a custom version, right? It's one of the versions that you can find on TradingView, and I like that because I like to customize the code. I like to open the source code and actually change few things. Um, but if you want to, use the original market cipher, that's gonna work perfectly as well. Let's understand a few things here in market cipher, right? The first thing is this line green. You see it turns red and green, red and green. What is that? That is money flow. You see this big green wave and this red wave, that is money flow, right? If I change to Heikin candle, that's going to be even better to see. It's going to highlight the difference, right? Because what is Heikin I can make a video in the future just about Heikin. You see how it changed a little bit my indicator as well. And with Heikin we had a bottom here. So what is this? Heikin are a combination or average between the current candle and the last candle. So it's basically a mix. If the candle is to avoid, those big shifts, big up and downs, the Heikin just smooth the market a little bit. So everything is smooth with a Heikin. You're not gonna find precise tops and bottoms with Heikin. Well, with my indicator, maybe you can have a hint of what is top, what is bottom, what is reversal, right? Let's go back to market cipher. So, green wave, money flow. What is important here is the curvature. CryptoFace is the creator, so he's the best one to explain this. But basically, what you're looking for is momentum. You see this, how the green wave goes up and start going down. Well, just because it's going down, look at the price. Look at the price, right? Doesn't mean it's gonna go down immediately. But here we see a momentum shift, right? Here, money flow was up, up, up all the way, and then start slowly going down. That is money leaving the asset, or he says that, right? I see it as a different thing. Money flow means, and you can find money flow is also an indicator on TradingView. Again, money flow index, same thing. You can ask TradingView to explain to you what is money flow. It even gives you the actual calculation. Remember on the first video that I said it's a calculation between what is open, close, high, and low? Yes, money flow uses that except the open, right? It's high, low, and close split by 3. That means the average of the price. That's how money flow is calculated. It's multiple steps to get to the money flow ratio. Anyways, so market cipher uses the money flow to draw this line and identify momentum, right? This is very important. If the momentum is going down, that means probably the market is going down too. It's about to reverse. We're gonna see this. We're gonna see a red, right? This is how the market moves. Everywhere you look at market cipher, you're gonna find those kind of patterns. Like they go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, and that takes a lot of time, right? Because here I'm looking at daily. So look at how much is this, right? This is basically, I hate this indicator, that this tool that keeps it dashed. This is almost 2 years, right? Almost 2 years. All right. So that's one on market cipher. The second thing that I like to look at market cipher is not just that, but is the VWAP. The VWAP is this yellow line. Again, market cipher has tutorials. They explain everything. but basically it's when VWAP is going down, that means it's gonna go down. The momentum is shifting down. When VWAP is going up, that means momentum is shifting up. So every time the price goes up, you're gonna see VWAP going up. Price going down, VWAP going down, right? So look at this. VWAP is going down here, and the price was just moving, make the first move. The second move, the aggressive move, right? From here to here was 40%, and that VWAP was kind of going up, but you see the pattern. It was going inwards, right? It was going like this. That is very, very weak. What we like to see is VWAP going outwards like this, right? This one right here. Whoa, that was good. What happened here? In this price action, boom, right? 50%. So this is basically how Market Cipher goes. One thing that I love to see in Market Cipher are the waves. You see these big blue waves? That is wave. That is also calculated by momentum, right? So similar to money flow, calculates the average between, the last candles, open and close, average, all of that. So when there is a green dot, means the wave's momentum is shifting up, right? It's shifting bull. When there is a red dot like this or this one, means momentum is shifting down, right? The average between the last few candles is shifting down. So, but what I like about those big waves is not this, is the size of the wave, right? So if you mark here, this was the biggest wave at this point, right? And the price was just here. The price kept moving up, 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 up. But look at what the waves are doing, right? They're moving down and down and down. Basically, the whole thing is going just down. That means, well, momentum is going to shift. Again, it's going down. So that's how I use Market Cipher. That's how I combine my Market Cipher with my indicator, right? So if I see here money flow going down, waves are going down, or they're decreasing, losing momentum, I see volume going down, and then my indicator is showing, hey, top, reversal, top, that's the moment I'm going to short, right? I'm going to short really heavy when I see this again. Are we seeing this right here? Let's check. All right, let's quickly check. Momentum waves. What they are doing? Exactly the same. Nope, it's not the same. What the money flow is doing, right? The money flow here this was the peak. Here is going down, but it seems it's kind of trying to go up again. So again, maybe not. VWAP. VWAP was going up. Now it's just trending here. It's not going up or down. We have a green dot right here. If you zoom in, it's going to be really hard. There's a green dot. But again, this is daily. And as I explained in the first video, market is not static, right? You cannot look at the market in one single time frame. You have to navigate. So you have to understand what is doing on the other ones. Everything that I explain here applies to every single time frame. So basically, what you see here, you want to see confluences or continuation on the smaller time frames, right? That's how it works. That's it, guys. I hope you understand the difference between the indicators, how they work, how to find information. That's the most important thing. And what my indicator is about too. You cannot use my indicator alone. You cannot rely on it 100% alone. You have to combine with levels, with Market Cipher, or any other, or MACD if you want, or volume if you want. Just combine with different things, right? When you have those different things, you have multiple confluences. And that's what makes your trade be confident, right? Like you have a level here, you have a bottom, you have a reversal, you see momentum shifting on the Market Cipher, that's it, right? It's a good trade. It's a hell damn good trade. That's how you should do it. Um, that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Please hit the like button, subscribe, share. You know the drill. See you on the next one. Bye.